Hey guys, it's me, Quite Crafty, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this DIY pencil holder with some pom-poms on top, and it has just stripes on it. Let's get started. You're going to need some paint brushes, a palette, some pom-poms, and a hot glue gun and a hot glue stick. I forgot you also need some tape. Before you start painting, make sure you cover your surface. I'm using this clear plastic, and yeah. So first take your soup can, totally not sponsored by the way, and put your paint on your paper plate or palette, whatever. Take your paintbrush and start applying thin coats all around, and I ended up taking the paper off because it kind of ripped. So yeah, and if your paint is like mine, you're going to need to apply 2 to 3 coats for an opaque base. Okay, so after you're done painting your base, you're gonna paint one of the colors that you're going to do for your stripes. So I'm gonna first be painting pink, so just put it on your paint palette, whatever, and you're gonna mix your paint if you need to. And you're just going to do the same thing. I just got a popsicle stick to mix it. And you're just gonna do the same thing as you did with the white base and apply 2 to 3 coats if your paint isn't opaque. And I recommend painting sideways instead of up and down like I did before, so you get all the paint covered and stuff. So after you're done painting your just find the edge first. Okay, kinda lost it. Okay, hold on. Okay, so I got the edge, and you're just going to tape it around. And once you get to the edge, you're just gonna rip or cut the tape off and then fold it into a tiny flap thing so you can pull it off easier later. And I'm just gonna do that. Okay, so after you finish taping, you're going to take your second color, and mine is going to be a mint-ish green. And I'm just gonna mix the paint, but if you're not mixing the paint, you can just totally skip ahead. So I'm just gonna paint the rest off screen, and yeah. So after you're done painting, you can just take off the tape like I did, and it'll leave you with sort of clean lines. Some of my paint got under the tape, but that should be fine. It was fine for me because I like that handmade look. So once you're done, you're just gonna get your glue gun and start gluing some pom-poms at the edge. So, oops. Let me just do that. And okay, so add just a tiny bit of glue on your pom-pom. And stick it on there. And you're just gonna do that all around, and my camera's running out of battery, so I'll just be back. So that's how you make this pencil holder with some pom-poms on top. And yeah, hope you guys comment, like, subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye!